We're Rhett and Link, and we wanted to show you how we created our amazing new website with Wix.
Now, we know that having a great website is crucial because when we look good online, our brand just feels good.
Check out all these templates. There are hundreds of them.
And they're actually fully designed websites. I like this one.
It's all drag and drop, and you can change anything you want.
Okay, now let's change the text. Also, let's give the font a little twist.
Okay, I'm gonna drop in a photo here and make it just right. I feel like here's a good place to add a gallery.
And it's cool because the photos will keep their high-res quality.
I'm already impressed with our website, Link.
As am I.
There's a video gallery. Let's add it. It gets automatically updated with our YouTube account.
Wait, don't forget to add our Instagram feed. There. Done.
Well, that's it. That's the coolest thing we've collaborated on in months. Go to Wix.com.
Create your stunning website today.